Hello, friends. If you are looking for the best new Hamilton watches for men, you are in the right place. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 8. Hamilton Watch Jazzmaster Face-to-Face Limited Edition. Silver dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a black leather band. Automatic movement. 50 meters water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Deployment clasp. Item shape, oval. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Case thickness, 18 millimeters. Band width, 24 millimeters. Calendar, day, date. Item weight, 2.5 pounds. Number 7. Hamilton Khaki Field Titanium Auto-Automatic 42 millimeter. H70665533. Black dial enhanced by luminous orange hands. Black titanium case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Tang clasp. Pull push crown. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Band width 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Movement, Swiss automatic. Number 6. Hamilton Men's H24411732 Ventura stainless steel watch with black leather band. More beautiful in person. Water resistant to 50 meters, 165 feet. In general, suitable for short periods of recreational swimming, but not diving or snorkeling. Asymmetric stainless steel case with a black leather bracelet. Fixed polished stainless steel bezel. Black dial with silver tone hands and dot indices, hour markers. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Case diameter 31 millimeters. Case thickness 11 millimeters. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters, 165 feet. Functions, hours, minutes. Number 5. Hamilton American Classic Intra Matic Auto Chrono Automatic 40 mm H384-16541. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp type, buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, blue and white. Calendar, date. Special features, chronograph. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth, 100 meters. Comfortable to wear. Number 4. Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic Auto 40 mm. Caliber H10. Movement, automatic. Case size, 40 millimeters. Dial color, silver. Case material, stainless steel. Crystal sapphire. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Lining, tanning mineral. Power reserve, 80 hours. Water resistance, 5 bar. Open case back, yes. Bracelet, strap. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Number 3. Hamilton PSR H52414130 unisex watch. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial, black digital dial. Silverstone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement. 658.89 water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over clasp. Pull push crown. Case diameter 41 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Band width 24 millimeters. Band color, silver tone. Dial color, multicolor. Item weight, 4.59 ounces. Movement, quartz. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Number 2. Hamilton Khaki Aviation Day Date Auto 42 mm. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Caliber H40. Collection, Khaki Aviation. Movement, automatic. Case size 42 millimeters. Dial color gray. Case material stainless steel. Crystal sapphire. Lug width 20 millimeters. Lining tanning material. 80-hour power reserve. Water resistance 10 bar. Anti-reflection? Yes. Open case back? Yes. Excellent timepiece. Number 1. Hamilton Khaki Aviation X-Wind Automatic Chronograph Brown Dial H77916920. The key feature of this collection is the date and date function, positioned at the 9 o'clock position on the dial. This collection is innovative and functional, which is everything a pilot watch needs to be. The caliber of these models is Hamilton's H30, which is an automatic movement. The power reserve of this collection is up to 60 hours. These models are water resistant up to 100 meters, 10 bar. This model showcases a traditional color scheme featuring a beige strap, camouflage dial, and rose gold case. The case of this model is made from rose gold plated high-quality stainless steel and measures 45 millimeters. The beige strap is made from fabric that comes with a lug width of 22 millimeters.